Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Explore Vlogs. So today I am going to Mallappa Konda Hills with travel story biking community. So as you can see, there are so many bikers here. We are here at Attibale Toll Plaza. So we will be starting our ride soon. So don't skip the video, watch till the end guys.
Always follow lane. So I will be the captain. I will always be showing those symbols to my hand signal. So always when I show one finger, always follow single lane. Single lane. The people behind me have just pass that lane. When I show one finger, just pass it behind the back person who is following you. Single. One lane. Always follow one lane. When I show one finger. They show two fingers, two lanes. Right? Two finger, two lanes, one finger, one lane. This is for your safety. Okay? Slow down. Bring your palms down way, slow down. Speed up. Upwards. Speed up. When I have to stop for any kind of things, stop, slow down, stop. When I hold my palms, stop.
So guys, now we are starting our ride and I will be following the captain here. So we will be crossing almost 3 states now. So now I am in Karnataka. We have to cross Tamil Nadu and after that we have to enter Andhra Pradesh for our destination. Before our destination we will be having our breakfast. So we will be having our breakfast at Hotel Sri Krishna Inn. So there is coffee day as well here. So after the breakfast we will head up to our destination guys.
Hello. Yo, bro.
Oh, sup?
Hey, you're coming on TV. Andhra highway. 3 borders it connects. Hello, guys. Yeah, obviously. Hello, people.
Hi. So, a lot of problem,
Here is sir.
ಹೇಳಲ್ಲ ಹಲೋ
ಎಲ್ಲೋ ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು ಎಲ್ಲನೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಒಟ್ಟಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗೋಷ್ಟರಲ್ಲಿ
ಕ್ಯಾಚ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ
So we had our breakfast now and all the riders are ready to ride. So let's meet at the highway guys. So guys, we have entered Tamil Nadu and as you can see the roads are so beautiful. We can see mountains in the right side as well as left side. We can see this beautiful viewpoint from Mallappa Konda Hill.
There is nothing inside.
This is the Lord Shiva's statue. This artificial Shivlinga statue, and this is the Shiva Trishula or the trident. So the view is so amazing guys from here. Check the description for location link, and also don't forget to subscribe my channel.
Do it! Just do it!
Now I'm an organizer. We are a community of 600 plus riders as of now in the WhatsApp. But we also have Instagram handles about 8,000 plus one page, and we have about 300 plus in for a bikers community. And we also have a YouTube channel. So my passion is to build a good community of same passionate bike riders from different fields. That's how my passion started, and that's my aim. That's about myself.